Hey guys, it's your girl Diamond. I wanted to do a review on this palette that I hear so much about. Not just this palette, but this brand, the Crayon box. I'm pretty sure all of you have heard of it. I did a little poll on my Instagram and y'all agree with me. Y'all heard of it, but y'all probably haven't tried it. So today I wanted to try it and kind of give you my review and let you know exactly what I think about it. And I got it in the mail and I'm so excited. I didn't even swatch it because I wanted to do this here with you guys. So I'm gonna open it and show you exactly what it looks like. It's very cute. So it says the Crayon box right here. And then it has the Crayon box on the tissue paper. And I only got one thing and I kind of wish I got more stuff because I'm not sure if anybody's seen, but they're doing these live videos on Instagram. They're kind of showcasing their products, and after I've watched like 2 or 3 and I'm like really excited and I wish I got more stuff, like the chalk dust, because I do need more setting powder, and I'm not sure what else, but I'm plotting on that chalk powder and I need to get some more stuff from them. But hopefully this is worthy so I can just start shopping more. So the item that I got was the matte book, and it did come in bubble wrap, but I did look at the palette at least. I just didn't swatch it or anything. So this is the matte book. I hear so much about this, like it's very gorgeous. It's a lot of colors. So it comes in a slit. And it's shaped like a book, of course. Has some words on the back. It's so cute. And this is what it looks like. This is very creative. Like she has like the crayon cutie here on a piece of paper, crayon case homework planner. Like this is very detailed, okay? The colors are bomb. Like a lot of neutrals here in here, which is good. Like you really like don't need another palette. Like this is basically all in one. I mean, there's no shimmers here, but clearly it's a matte book, so you get what you get. But yeah, like y'all know me, I love color and I am here for the variety. Like there's yellow, orange, pink, purples, blues, greens, like salmons. Like where can you get another palette that got all these colors like this? The James Charles palette, I would say it's not even this versatile. So I clearly need this palette, right? All right, so when I watch reviews, low-key, I'm not here for the swatches. Like, not if you're gonna do a whole look. So we're not even gonna swatch it. We just wanna go ahead and create the look that I have planned for today. Yeah, like it's not gonna be much of a tutorial. You're just gonna see me do the look. And I'll let you know exactly what I think at the end. So stay tuned, okay? All right, y'all, let's get into it, okay? So I have an idea of what I want to do. I seen this look on Instagram by this girl, Beats by Deb. Her shit be fire, okay? And we're going to try to recreate that. And if it don't work, then we're going to do something similar to it, okay? But I think I should be cool. So we're going to prime the eye with the Peel Away's white base. All right, so the base is on, and we're going to first go in with the orange shade. That is this one here. So a few people been asking me like why I don't do other people's makeup. And y'all, doing other people's makeup or hair or anything, customer service is annoying, okay? Like I don't know if I want to do that to myself. I'm already in customer service on a daily basis. Like granted, the money would be good and it would be fun to do it. I'm not sure if that's something that I want to do. I know my face. I don't know other people's faces, okay? It's just a simple fact. But I will consider it.
Encore.
I want to know your age. I want to know your type. I want to know your sign. Is this a sign? Baby, you're close to me. Baby, you're getting closer. Baby, my love's explosive. that I'm feeling got me feeling different. I'm gonna stick with it. We fit like a fitty. I'm gon' do your city. Rollin' with me. Go slow, move forward. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Move forward. Go slow, go slow. Na 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 na.
Y'all don't know how hard it was for me to just cut that crease. Like, I get the jitters when I drink coffee, and I just had coffee, and my hand is shaking like a crackhead, okay? So imagine me shaking like a crackhead trying to cut this crease. Whoo, child. Pray for me.
Loving this feeling, I'm loving this feeling. Let's go out on dates. Let's go through them phases. Let's go different places. This world is amazing. I'll take you to the moon, girl. Cause you're a shining star, girl. I'm trying to win your heart, girl. I'm trying to win your heart. Go slow, move forward. Won't you go slow? Go slow, go slow. Move forward. Go slow, go slow. Na 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 na.
All right, guys, so this is the final look, and I absolutely love it. This is so cute, so vibrant. This is all the way me. And now it's time to talk about this palette. How did it do? Was it worth it? I don't even know what I spent on this, but I'll put it in the description box, actually. So, y'all, I wasn't so impressed by the orange when I first put it on. But so far, I mean, I did try majority of colors. The colors that I used, let me show you exactly. I used this, first I went in with the orange, then I went in with the pink, and then I dipped in both of these purples, and then I also did both of these blues, and I diffused it with some of this blue and more of the yellow. And then I cut the crease, and then I went in with more of the yellow, and then I went in with all three of the greens. I also went in with this bluish shade on the bottom, along with these two blues on the bottom too. But yeah, I used majority of the colors. I used 12 colors. Like, that's a lot, okay? I would love to try some of these neutrals to see how they act also, but we're gonna get to that at a different time. I think I did enough for one video. It's bomb for so many reasons. First of all, the pigment was so effortless putting the colors on. Now, I feel like, I'm not sure if I worked this easily with other palettes to get these colors on, but it just showed up. Like, it was just so easy to do this look. The only thing that like really gave me a hard time and took me the longest was the cut crease. But of course, like, that's going to take some time. Everything else was like so effortless. And that's great for beginners, which is why you should get this palette. Secondly, we gotta support Black businesses, okay? It's time to support them. Another reason why this palette is bomb is variety. I did say that the first time before, but the variety is bomb. Like, You could literally go somewhere with just this palette, which is why I say it's versatile. Like, you have the nudes here, but you also have the colors. You also have your options to add a little pop of whatever color, because I mean, I don't think it's missing a color. That red could be a little bit more vibrant, but like, I have other reds. Reds are just reds, okay? Like, this literally has everything. The only problem I had while creating this look was like, it got a little patchy on the yellow part when I did the other eye. I'm not sure if it was because of the base. I'm going to assume so, because I had to take my whole cut crease off and do it over again. And as soon as I put it down the second time, it came a little bit better. I used the P. Louise, the base 0. And like I said, like when I did it the second time, I'm thinking because I didn't blend it out fully, but as soon as I did it the second time, it was effortless. Like, that yellow went on, and as you can see, it's pretty vibrant. For yellow, super, you did this palette. You did this, and I'm excited to get more of the line, because like I said, this is really bomb. Yeah, like, I just gotta try more stuff. Like, A1 to the product. Thanks to Beats by Deb for this inspiration on doing the eyes. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't do too much talking because my last video was, I talked too much. It was so hard to edit it down. I didn't want to miss nothing out, but this time I just took my time, and we just wanted to do this review on this palette, and it's amazing. So yeah, if I'm missing anything out of the review, please comment below or just DM me. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.